Introduction. If you're sitting on crypto that's gathering dust in your wallet, now's the perfect time to put it to work. Instead of letting your holdings stagnate, you can leverage them to generate passive income and unlock impressive gains. The days of relying on the traditional 9-to-5 job are over. True wealth is often built by letting your money work for you. Crypto offers a wealth of opportunities to earn passive income, and this guide will explore how you can tap into this potential to build wealth over time. From staking to liquidity provision, let's dive into the best strategies to earn passive crypto income. Understanding real yield. In the crypto world, passive income often refers to earning yield, which is typically expressed as annual percentage yield, APY. While some platforms promise astronomical APYs, as high as 12,000% plus, these kinds of returns are often unsustainable or come with significant risks. These high yields may be linked to inflationary token models or speculative assets that don't offer long-term stability. Real yield is the portion of returns that exceed inflation, generated from reliable sources like transaction fees or interest rates. Real yield is a more sustainable form of passive income, offering a clearer path to building wealth without relying on risky token inflation. Example, let's take staking Atom as an example. The platform may offer a 17.91% APY, but if the inflation rate of Atom is 12%, the real yield drops to less than 6%. This means your actual return is much lower than advertised. Pro tip: when considering any crypto investment, it's crucial to evaluate both the yield and the long-term performance of the asset. A high APY on a weak or volatile asset may not be worth the risk, even if the returns seem enticing. Strategies for passive crypto income. 1. Staking. Staking is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income in the crypto space. It involves locking up your crypto to help secure proof of stake, POS networks, in exchange for rewards, typically in the form of additional tokens. Staking plays a crucial role in maintaining the security and functionality of POS blockchain. And as a reward, you earn a share of the network's transaction fees. Example, for Ethereum, ETH, you would need to stake 32 ETH to become a full validator and earn rewards. However, if you don't have enough ETH, you can still participate by using third-party validators or liquid staking services like Lido. Risks to consider: centralization. Some staking services, especially large third-party platforms, can lead to the centralization of control, which can make the network more vulnerable to attacks or manipulation. Smart contract risks. Staking platforms are built on smart contracts which, if poorly coded or vulnerable, can be exploited, potentially leading to the loss of your staked assets. 2. Restaking. Restaking is a more advanced strategy that involves using your staked crypto across multiple platforms to maximize returns. Rather than simply earning rewards from one protocol, you can restake your assets to earn additional yields from other DeFi protocols. This technique leverages the benefits of liquid staking tokens, which are essentially tradable tokens representing your staked crypto. Benefit: restaking can significantly boost your rewards by allowing you to earn passive income from multiple sources at the same time. Risk: the more protocols you interact with, the more complex your strategy becomes, and this increases your exposure to potential vulnerabilities in the smart contracts involved. 3. Providing liquidity, LPing. Liquidity provision or LPing involves supplying pairs of assets like stablecoins or other cryptocurrencies to decentralized exchanges, DEXs, to facilitate trades. As an LP, you earn a share of the trading fees generated when others swap assets in the pool. Ideal pairs. To minimize the risk of impermanent loss, it's best to provide liquidity with highly correlated assets, such as stablecoins, USDT, USDC, or ETH Steth, a staked version of ETH. This ensures that the price of the assets in the pool doesn't fluctuate too dramatically. Challenges: maintaining asset ratios. In volatile markets, the value of assets in the liquidity pool can shift, causing imbalances in the ratio of assets you initially contributed. This can lead to impermanent loss, where your assets are worth less when withdrawn than when you initially added them. Price fluctuation. While you earn consistent fees from LPing, the value of the assets you provide can fluctuate significantly. In times of extreme volatility, this can erode your returns. Final thoughts. While passive crypto income offers tremendous potential, it's important to approach it with caution. The key to success is balancing the potential rewards with the risks involved. Focus on strategies that offer real yield from stable long-term assets And make sure to minimize exposure to inflation and smart contract risks. Whether you're staking, restaking, or providing liquidity, always perform thorough research, understand the risks, and stay informed about the platforms you use. Remember, crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building long-term wealth in the crypto space requires patience, careful risk management, and continuous learning. With the right approach and a strategic mindset, you can unlock the potential of passive income to build lasting wealth over time. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this video insightful. I'd love to hear in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips.